AirHelp.com. It claims to be your personal airline advocate, helping you get compensation when your flight gets delayed, canceled, or overbooked. Sounds like a dream, right? Especially if you've ever been stuck at an airport with zero answers and a lot of frustration. But let's take a closer look and see if AirHelp is actually as helpful as it sounds. First off, one big green flag. The site's been around since the year 2000. That's over 2 decades of online presence, way longer than most fly-by-night services out there. Stability like that is always a good sign. Now, when you head to their About Us page, it's surprisingly transparent. They actually show the CEO and team members, which is rare these days. Plus, they're not shy about their stats. 180+ million flights checked, 2.7 million passengers compensated, and over 60 travel brand partnerships. That kind of reach and real-world traction suggests they're not just a flashy website, they're actually doing the work. Another win? AirHelp has apps on both the App Store and Google Play. And they're not just there for show. They've got solid reviews and over 10,000 downloads on Android alone. Their social media pages are active, and they regularly engage with their followers, which is another sign they're a legit, responsive business and not just collecting data in the background. They're also super clear about what kind of issues they help with. We're talking delays, cancellations, denied boarding, and even missed connections. And they break down your passenger rights in a way that's easy to understand. So if you've ever been confused about what you're actually entitled to after a flight mess, they've got your back. Now, let's talk user reviews, because that's where the real truth usually lives. On Trustpilot, AirHelp is rated 4.5 stars out of over 217,000 reviews. That's massive. One user even shared that when Air France canceled their flight, they had no idea how to claim compensation through the usual channels. But then they found AirHelp, used their simple online form, and said the 35% fee was totally worth it for how easy the whole process was. So, is AirHelp.com legit? Yes. 100% yes. With a domain active since 2000, transparent leadership, a strong mobile and social presence, and thousands of positive reviews, AirHelp is definitely a trustworthy service. If you're ever stuck dealing with flight issues and don't want the headache of filing claims yourself, they might be worth checking out. That's it for today. If you've used AirHelp before, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive review like this one. Safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next video.